Ever wondered why some dishes just taste better than others? It's not always about following a recipe to the letter. Sometimes, it's the unexpected ingredients that make all the difference. In a recent thread on r/cookingforbeginners, home cooks shared their secret weapons for transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary ones. One Redditor's revelation about using soy sauce to deepen flavor sparked a flood of creative tips. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these ingredients might surprise you, and not everyone agrees on their use. Let's dive into the 23 secret ingredients that could revolutionize your cooking, and maybe even spark a debate in the comments. Shallots. These versatile bulbs can replace or complement onions and garlic, adding a subtle sweetness and depth to any dish. Anchovy paste, lemon juice, and honey. We'll see 5 swears by this trio, but warns against overpowering flavors, like chestnut honey, that can dominate a dish. Beyond salt, Mental Basil 2398 suggests exploring alternatives like beef base, miso, or fish sauce to add complexity. But here's the kicker. They argue that freshly squeezed lemon juice is just as essential as salt and pepper. Bold claim, right? Nutmeg in Alfredo sauce, a rare but delightful addition that elevates this classic dish. Paprika and cinnamon. Mamasquix uses paprika in almost everything and adds a pinch of cinnamon to meatless red sauces for an unexpected kick. Fish sauce. Turbulent parsley 619 insists a dash in soups or stews adds incredible depth, without tasting fishy. Controversial? Maybe, but the results speak for themselves. Dark chocolate or coffee in chili. A small amount adds richness and complexity, though some might raise an eyebrow at this sweet-savory combo. Tomato powder and bouillon. Medicine Maker and Dougal Campbell highlight these as game changers for boosting umami. Ketchup. Even if you're not a fan, it can enhance stews and marinades in surprising ways. Black salt. Chaat masala Freaky_Steve calls it life-changing for fries, burgers, and chicken, but cautions against overusing its sulfur-like flavor. Bay leaves. A whole, fresh leaf can deepen flavors in soups and stews, but remember to remove it before serving. Biting into one is no fun. Heavy cream. Broccoli tiramisu credits it for improving the mouthfeel of dishes, even in non-traditional recipes. But is dairy always the answer? Some might argue no. Oyster sauce and za'atar. These global ingredients add unique flavors to stir-fries and roasted vegetables. Cinnamon in savory dishes, a polarizing choice, but some swear by its warmth in unexpected places. Cola in pot roast. Tide Experience 7651 uses it to rescue flat-tasting sauces, though purists might scoff at this soda-inspired hack. Curry powder. Then Bomber adds a pinch to savory dishes for a bright, mysterious note. Acidity, the unsung hero of flavor. If your dish feels off, a splash of vinegar or citrus might be the missing link. These tips challenge conventional wisdom and invite experimentation. But here's the question, which of these ingredients would you dare to try? And which ones do you think are overhyped? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get cooking and debating.